Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. You know, at this time is very dangerous for every people. Already a lot of people has affected by COVID-19. More than 9 lakhs people has already died in the world. Near 5,000 people has died in our country. So I suggest you that you stay in your home. After sometimes you wash your hand and mouth by sanitizer. You do not get out. If you get out in your house, you must wear mask. Now I shall want to discuss with you about sentence. You knew about sentence last class 6. I shall try to learn you about the sentence by two example. First example, number 1. Gave mother me 5 টাকা. Number 2, mother gave me 5 টাকা. First example, it is not a sentence because the words are not arranged in correct order, but second sentence is correct because the words are arranged in the correct order. So I definition the sentence. A sentence is a group of words or combination of words that are arranged in such an order that it expresses a complete sense or meaning. Again, the definition of sentence I tell you. A sentence is a group of words are arranged in such an order that express a complete sense or meaning. Okay? Now I discuss with you about the kinds of sentence. Sentence is kinds of 5. I write down on the blackboard the number of sentence. Number 1, assertive, ASSERTIVE, assertive sentence, SENTENCE. Number 2, interrogative sentence, INTERROGATIVE, interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence, IMPERATIVE. Number 4, optative sentence, OPTATIVE, optative sentence. Number 5, EXCLAMATORY, exclamatory sentence. Now I shall try to teach you about the structure of this sentence. First, I discuss about assertive sentence. You know about the assertive sentence. The definition of assertive sentence. Assertive sentence is a sentence which simply assert something. Example, I have a pen. He is eating rice. He is not eating rice. I have gave a 3 example. First example, I have a pen. Second example, he is eating rice. And third example, he is not eating rice. First 2 example is affirmative and third example is negative. So I tell you, assertive sentence is 2 kinds. Their name, first number, affirmative, AFFIR, affirmative, MATIVE, affirmative sentence. Number 2, NEGATIVE, negative sentence. Now we know the definition of affirmative sentence and negative sentence. An affirmative sentence is a sentence that it expresses affirms something, and negative sentence is a sentence that it expresses a denies something. Is it clear? Structure of assertive sentence. Subject plus verb plus extension. Extension plus full stop. Extension means all words of sentence after verb. I do it. I do it. I have lost my pen. Is it clear? Negative sentence structure is, it is affirmative sentence. A-double-F-I-R, affirmative sentence. And the structure of negative sentence, subject plus to be verb plus not plus verb plus extension plus full stop. To be verb means the following rules of tense. Example, I do not do it. And another example, I have not lost my pen. Is it clear? Now I want to describe with you about the next sentence of interrogative. Interrogative sentence. An interrogative sentence is a sentence which asks a question. Example, do you know me? Another example, where do you live? We can see first example, do you know me? It is start to be verb, and second example, start where do you live? It is start relative pronoun. So we say that interrogative sentence is start to be verb or relative pronoun and finished the note of interrogation. Is it clear? The structure of interrogative sentence, structure, 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 to be verb plus subject plus verb plus extension plus the note of interrogation, or relative pronoun REL relative TIVE relative pronoun plus to be verb plus extension plus the note of interrogation. We noticed the two example on the blackboard. Do you know me? Where do you live? Is it clear? After sentence, next class I shall discuss with you. Again I remember you. You stay in your house. After some time, you wash your mouth or hands by sanitizer. Thank you.